All right, today, while we're taking a look at this well system, let's go ahead and look at some of the stuff that went wrong with the way that this system's put together. So we have the water line that comes in through here. We got a nice new check valve, looks great. Water line comes down into here, right? So this is what we refer to as our T-assembly. You can see a lot of corrosion on these pipes, a lot of corrosion here, previous staining down below. So recently, this box has been replaced. We can follow these cables up to here till we run into our first issue, right? So we have splice electrical connections exposed to where a kid could walk up, touch it, and can hurt themselves. This is appliance grade voltage, so it could potentially kill you. So it's super important to make sure that anytime you have any kind of electrical connection, it is secured in something that kind of looks like this, right? So this is our power disconnect from the house to the pump side. That all looks good and in good shape. From the pressure tank, we'll see that we have our main water shutoff, and it will come up over into here, and this is where we have our second issue. So we have the water is supposed to fork its way through here, go through the neutralizer, the UV light, and back out into the rest of the house. But this pipe allows it to where, depending on where this is going, you'll have a little bit of water go through this treatment, and a little bit of water go this way through the sediment filter. The problem with doing it this way is you cannot guarantee that the water that's going up through here is actually going through your UV light. So the way this should look is you should have the water come up, it should go through your filter, through your neutralizer, through your water softener, through the other filter into the rest of the home. So that way everything has a chance to go through the treatment. Otherwise it defeats the purpose of the treatment. So whenever you're looking at the water lines, it's always good to think about your order of operation of where is the water going to go depending on what's calling for water, whether it be a kitchen sink or a bathroom.